Welcome to Siem Reap. Welcome to Cambodia. It is a beautiful day. It is cloudy, but it did not rain yet. We have rainy season now, but yeah, we are just right next to the pub street and gonna walk to something I have not seen yet here around in Southeast Asia. Hold on, what is this? Psa Khmer food court. Okay, interesting.
It looks so nice. Look at it in the back.
And shawarma Dubai. Come to Dubai, habibi. All right. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is Marcus has terrible shoes.
Yeah, it's broken.
He does not have the beautiful Asics that I have. Not sponsored, but I would like to sponsor it. They have a big C here. That's very interesting as well. But we're gonna find Marcus new shoes. There's an adidas factory outlet here in Siem Reap, Cambodia, and we will find out what they have to offer here. Is it really cheap? Because
this is a franchise because this is also in Vietnam.
Vietnam, right? Yeah.
Yes, we have it
saw it
2 times.
Yeah. We have some banks over here. Now we have more bars.
Look at
Lots
nice
of bars.
car.
The space.
Oh, look at the Mercedes.
Oh yes, nice. And what is this? Dinosaur Snooker Club. Okay, for all my British friends.
To be honest, I will sign up.
Okay. I'm not sure if the snooker club stands for something, but yeah, a very interesting advertisement. The snooker club. Let's check out the beauty here. It does not look real, but I don't know. It's missing, just like in Germany.
Yeah.
When the nasty people steal your. Yeah. Soul of Cambodia. What is this? Maybe it's I don't know what it is. No, it's something with cashmere. Or like jewelry or silk. All right. Laser game.
Miniso. This is so good.
Yeah.
Miniso.
Let's see what kind of shopping possibilities there are. Looks super quiet here. It is morning. Yeah. I think this area lights up at night.
You should wear a Cambodia shirt.
I cannot. I'm Vietnam, number one. Cambodia is very nice and friendly, but I will only represent Germany and Vietnam. Okay. And Collingwood. Collingwood.
Hello.
They have a Starbucks here. Hello. We are from Germany and we only can walk. Starbucks, okay. So this is probably a good area here, if Starbucks are here, right? Oh, very busy area. There are lots of shopping possibilities. You can already see some Nike and some Under Armour. They also have big sizes here. Yeah. Maybe we can find some t-shirts here as well. Because, yeah, Cambodia is a big manufacturing hub, right? So, very interesting, guys. Oh, look at this hair wash, Marcus.
Well, this is not just a spa.
Yeah.
It is majestic.
Majestic spa. Wow. Oh, look at this clothing, Marcus. Would you wear something like this? But the material is nice.
Material, yeah.
And you can get some shorts here as well, but they look a little bit weird.
Exactly.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
What kind of clothing do you have? Oh, okay.
We have for
Man is upstairs? Inside?
Yes.
Okay, let me check. Do I have to take off my shoes?
Okay, yes,
Okay.
sure. Yes.
Oh. What is this?
Inside, sir.
Inside?
Not upstairs.
Upstairs?
No.
Oh no, okay. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Los Angeles, Puma.
You can
Okay. Smells heavy like incense here.
Yeah, this is.
Look at this. It looks like super retro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
From the 80s or 90s.
I think people who are looking for retro clothing, it also looks like second hand, to be honest. But maybe you find something here. There's some trousers here. Trousers, mate.
Okay, some jerseys here. Look at this. I think
Toyota.
this looks like second.
All right, let's go.
Okay. So
Yeah.
also, yeah.
Okay, guys. So there's so many times we're walking in those places or other places, and you think like, oh God, it's gonna be like we're gonna die here, right?
I thought we almost sold on all trips.
But then everything is fine because they're super friendly. But it's just a little bit when it's so quiet and no one is there, and people take you to a dark room.
And nobody saw you going in.
But it is super safe here, guys. I feel very safe and nice. And the Cambodian commercial bank looks like the Thai bank. There's a Thai bank that has the same kind of, it looks similar. The colors and the logo. Comment below what the name is from the Thai bank, if you remember. Family Rising.
for sale for $8,000.
Okay.
It's probably the spa.
Ah.
So if you consider opening a business in Siem Reap, that could be a chance. 8,000.
Yeah. I think the rents here are very, very low. The rent, there are also monthly apartments we heard already from our German friend. We have German viewer also. It's very low here. Toyota is a huge Toyota truck. Somewhere here has to be the Adidas, Marcus.
Yeah, somewhere there.
Somewhere here, yeah.
There's the hospital again.
Yeah. It's a big hospital.
What's this?
Huh?
Canada.
Canadian bank?
Is it a bank from Canada?
Yeah, probably, right? It was very interesting. The lovely person who worked in the digital nomad cafe or whatever that was, she was half Canadian or something, right?
Yeah, her mother.
Her mother, yeah.
So let's go there.
Okay, let's go. Oh God. It's still not that problematic with the crossing the streets.
Oh, DHL.
DHL, okay. And a bushy building next door.
Oh wow, nice. I found money.
Again?
Yeah, it's not 100.
Why do you always find money?
It's maybe not that much, but it's money.
Oh, you need to put it back. Maybe
No,
it was
no,
from
no.
the...
Yeah, this is your belief system.
Okay.
My belief system is when I find money, I pick it up. Because
All right.
the universe wants me to pick it up.
Okay. This is how the universe closes everything.
Yeah. And also I'm a salesperson. Oh, nice. Very good.
Lots of banks they have here too. All right. Let's go a little bit parkour. Right, we're at the gas station near Burger King. Oh, Marcus, let's check out the Burger King prices.
Oh yeah, please.
It's pretty oh yeah, please.
Please check. Let's check them out.
Marcus is always game on. For him, when I put on the camera, it's everything. Oh yeah, please, let's do that. I'm so excited about that.
Wow, look at these.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Is it
$7 for a burger?
No, it's the. Oh yeah, it's true. Or $6.95 for this.
You're kidding me?
Here.
Ah, okay, 2 for $2.50.
It's a good offer, I guess, right? But cheeseburger.
It's completely
cheeseburger
empty, the place.
It's expensive.
Kind of crazy, man. $2, okay. Flaming hot, that's like a nicer now. $2 for a burger. But still. But you know what? Burger King is never cheap in Asia. I mean, the Burger King in Da Nang Airport is almost criminal.
Yeah.
The domestic Burger King in Da Nang Airport. I think Emma, my wife, wanted to have burgers there once. We paid $32 for us eating.
Oh yeah. at that one.
32
Yeah.
for 2 meals.
Also have KFC.
Yeah, let's go. Whew, it's hot. KFC Zinger Double Down. Park Hyatt, Siem Reap, the cheapest Hyatt in the world. My Hyatt friend Jermaine told me. Is that true? Comment below. Is this the cheapest Park Hyatt? I saw it for $120 a night. Park Hyatt. So this should be the highest of the Hyatts, the normal Hyatt branding, right? If I'm not wrong. So lots of nice tuk-tuks are standing here as well. And of course, those nice Alphards. I like it. All right. KFC.
There's the price is $7.
Look at this.
$9.
They have chicken instead of a bread. You're a smart man, huh?
Yeah.
I like it. It's actually full protein.
Yeah, but
we should try that.
That's not so much carbs, you know, from
Yeah.
the bread.
Japan shop. Matcha. Guys, I heard there's a matcha shortage in the world. They still have matcha. True money. Oh man, I have a True card. I should have just used my Thai SIM card here. Bangkok Airways. So somewhere here on the left side, the Adidas has to come, Marcus.
I presume it's the yellow building.
You think? Okay. Huh. Lots of spas. Yeah, lots of spas. Some glasses stores here. You know what we can check out? Let's go to pharmacy. I want to ask them if they have contact lens cleaning solution or something.
Okay, let's do it. Because I really wanted to know how much is it. Just in case.
I mean, we can try it here and we can try it at the glasses store.
Let me open.
Thank you. Nice and cold here. Good morning. All right, guys, $2.90 and we got it. It's made in America. Manufactured at Bush & Lump Incorporated in Greensboro, South Carolina, USA. America first! I guess they don't have an import tax here on that, huh? No tariff! Oh, actually, how much is the tariff for Cambodia?
I have no idea.
Maybe they will also negotiate something with zero from America. But it's interesting. I buy something for but it's pretty expensive, I think, right? $2.90 for a small bottle.
Also, we paid in real.
Yeah.
And the 100 real I found on the street,
Yeah.
I used it.
Thank you for my eyes, man.
Yes.
All right, but yeah, there was pretty much everything possible to buy in this pharmacy. So you can probably get everything out of the world in pharmacies here in Cambodia as well. You might overpay a little bit because it's obviously imported. And yeah, that of course makes it more expensive. But yeah, since this country is also very close to Thailand and Vietnam, you probably get a lot of things over the border here as well. Wondering how much glasses cost here. Huh. We gotta ask today when we do our interview.
Yeah, with the German guy.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm gonna give you so much more infos. So we're gonna do our German interview, but I will take the knowledge and tell it to you here on this walking channel.
Could it be here?
It has to be on the left side. No, it's a little bit further, maybe. Yeah, it's a little bit more, maybe 88 meters on the left.
if you plan to make kids, also you have baby.
Yeah. And they have very easy visa plans here. So you know what? I will explain it in the next walking video. I will start with that. Yeah. But it's very interesting.
But what is the German word for today?
Huh.
Visa
Yeah.
regulation?
No,
Einreisebestimmung?
no. Einreisebestimmungen, Visa regulations, Visa Bestimmungen? Is that even there? Oh, look at this, Marcus. It's a. Maybe we can buy a drone here. Here, vlogging.
Which drone?
Hello. Look at this. They have a drone here. You see this?
Yeah, it's the mini tree. I will ask. Hello. Do you have the DJI drone? What was the name? I forgot.
Neo.
No. Yeah, Neo. Only the mini.
I think we have to go to a proper store.
Just the mini tree.
They have the 5 Pro here and the Pocket 3. Pretty interesting. Alright guys, DJI Mini 3 was $385, but I think this is a resale place. So I'm not sure how legit it is. Tube coffee, okay, that looks very modern and stylish. That is very modern and stylish, look at this, crazy.
It's again.
Yeah. So many nice coffee shops here in the city. Piping hot, guys. In the sun. When the shade's coming through, it's good.
Wow. Prince of Shankor or Angkor?
Angkor?
Oh, Prince of Angkor. It's a hotel.
Huh. Dankor.
LG, Samsung.
Oh, that looks like electronic section here. Maybe we find something.
Very good. Oh, I like this kind of house on the right.
Uh-huh. Canadian Bank. So here's the outlet, Adidas outlet. We made it, and there's also. Huh?
This is so interesting. This is the trash can.
Oh yeah,
So
looks.
it's a completely different system, or
Yeah.
just let's say style.
Oh, but it's good.
And it's from tires, I guess. Old tires. It looks like.
Yeah, but as you can see, it works. It's pretty clean. 70% off. Buy 3 additional, 10% off. Okay, they advertise a lot. All right.
Check.
Nice and cool here. Yeah, very interesting, guys. I'm gonna check it out and come back when we found something. So Marcus just bought new shoes now, and he's gonna keep the old shoes with the old socks here. He bought new socks and new shoes. Now, yeah, that's how Marcus is doing his life.
Efficiency.
Okay, I just told Marcus his socks are too high, man. You look like a small child. Roast him, please roast him in the comments. All right, we were successful. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch this video and see you in the next vlog.